Alright, so the background is basil cardstock from that cardstock add-on kit. The aqua layers are Vicky Booten, All the Good Things Called the Little Things. And this is the last of that paper. Because as you see, that bottom piece, I left the branding strip on. Didn't even cut it off. That's the pattern on the reverse side. And then I had two tiny little pieces from cutting these down that I'm going to use as layers behind my photo. And I'm using my walnut stain distress ink or vintage photo. One of the two. I think it's vintage photo. Alright. And then I'm going to use scraps behind my photo. The black and white one, I'm not sure because I didn't have the branding strip for that one. The green floral is, is crepe paper from the October kit. That cork layer is crepe paper Good Vibes called Magic. So I'm just putting those all together. Hey Coco, what you doing, baby girl? Huh? You coming to see me? Coming to see Patton? What you doing? Oh dear, I gotta clean your ears. She's shaking her head. Means she's got something going on in her ears. Oh, my shoulder hurts. Hey, babe. So I'm gonna get that put down. Then I'm gonna start my layering, which I layer pretty much around the photo. And that tag and the word and the smile die cut are from the cut apart cards, the crepe paper Good Vibes So Chill. I cut those from that cut apart sheet that came in the kit. What you doing, Coco? And she's gonna scratch. I need to get to ordering her Comfortus. So the florals are Crepe Papers, Hip Kit Club's Fiesta Vibes. And you can see in the top left of the screen that there are some stars that was stitching, and those are from Pink Fresh Studio. Okay, so then my die cuts are from Crepe Paper Good Vibes, the October kit, and then my happy is American Crafts Good Things stickers. And then once I get that down, that will complete my layout. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you want, you can help me out. YouTube changed their things, so their plan monetization rules, so I'm trying to get back monetized and I need 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, thanks guys. Bye.